Hi. So already we discussed about the introduction to Bugzilla, using trial version of Bugzilla, how to get the trial version, about defect reporting and defect tracking, components in defect template also I explained. So you should know that as a test engineer, while reporting defects, what type of information you have to provide. There's a reason defect template. You should know that. In that, what is the reproducible defect? Interview point of view, important thing. Defect ID, who is going to provide? So, what is meaning of reproducible steps? That means test case steps only. Priority, severity, status. They are the important components in the defect template. Now, today's session, we are going to discuss about the how to log the defect into Bugzilla. As I said, the introduction to Bugzilla, it is open source bug tracking or issue tracking system. It is different features which are there. To get the practicing purpose, we can go for the create first account in the GitHub, and then go to this URL. This is the page I'm going to get. Go to the new account is not required. Try to go for the login directly. There you can get the option. So new account is not required. Click on login. Try to use the. Let me show it is. Now see my here. So this is the way how we are going to use this URL. So you are going to get the home page. There you have to click on the login. When you click on login, you are going to, it will ask the login credentials, and also we have the sign in. GitHub is there. Click on this one. Okay, like this you click, go for sign in. If you click on GitHub sign in here, it redirect to the GitHub. So already I have the login credentials. Right, I log into the my Bugzilla. Okay, so after this, what we discussed. So what is defect? I explained. So what is meaning of defect reporting? What are the guidelines to log the defects? Important thing, interview point of time, what is the procedure? Defect reporting is done in two ways, manually automation. What is manual, what is automation? What are the different kind of tools are going to be used? Then what is the meaning of defect tracking? Defect tracking is the process of tracking the log of defects from it defects in a product from beginning to closure and making new versions of the product that fix the defects. New version that has to fix. So how we can go for this next? Suppose understand the simple defect I will show. I have the medical registration form. Here I have one. After now what I am trying to do, I will take a screenshot of the registration form here like this. How I am taking using snipping tool. Snipping tool I used here. In this one I'm going to save it is because I have one defect here. Registration form defect. Okay, I saved it. What is the defect? You see that after enter the username, password, confirm password, both are different values I enter when I click on submit. Then what is the expectation error message should pop up? Now see here, what happened here? Successfully user registration completed. So what is my expectation? Error message should pop up. So I got the defect here. There is a screenshot which I taken, I saved it. Okay. Now how we can use this Bugzilla for defect reporting. So once you log into the Bugzilla, so there is a new bug. Click on new bug. So what are the projects are there in your company? The projects information going to shows to you. So try to set either one of this project, which project related defect you identified. Now whichever defect you identified, give the summary about the defect. Application allowing different values in password and confirm password. Click on find similar issues. That means I want to check is that similar defect already reported into the database or not. I want to check it is. So you have to see that. Maybe defect is there, you have to record that one as a duplicate. Now here I can't find the any similar defect here, right? So I can go for the my issue is not listed. Now provide the information already available. So which project name going to shows to you, which version of the project you identified, branches. Now component and triage. That means developers not yet conducted any meeting. Okay. So untriaged. What did you do? Steps to reproduce. Enter different values in password and the developer need to understand no? Confirm password objects. Then click on submit. Password value is I given Madhukar QA ID. Suppose confirm password I given testing. Both are different values. So what happened here? Successfully customer able to register. There is what happened actually. This is what happened. So what we are expecting here, what should have happened? Error message should pop up. Now any defect screenshot is there? Choose file. Defect screenshots are available. You can provide where the available. So somewhere I saved it. So where I saved it is desktop maybe. Somewhere I missed it. No issue. I will take some other application screenshot here. After that, successful customer able to register like this. Then click on the submit bug. Bug type, yes, it is important. This is a defect report. This is a defect report, or this is a request for enhancement. It is belongs to the defect report. Go for submit bug. Now, where is the priority severity? Those will come here. Now, see, whenever I log the defect, by default status in the Bugzilla is open and bug ID is generated. Okay. Now, edit bug to provide the more details. Which product is project name? Priority you want to give, you can give the priority. Now try to remember what type of priorities are there in the Bugzilla P1 to P5. So the priority levels are P1 is the highest priority. So severity, different kind of severity levels are there in this Bugzilla. Blocker, critical, major, normal, minor, trivial. Now whatever defect identified, that is will not impact my execution. I can able to continue, but there is a normal I given. But important word has to fix it is. Platform specified. I want to say the which OS we used, which version, Windows 10, like this. So it is a trial version. I have only two here. Right, unconfirmed resolved. Once developers are resolved they're going to give. So fixed here, they give the resolved, unconfirmed. Because untriaged, it is confirmed untriaged. Triage meeting is not yet conducted. After that, they are going to change some priority or status, they can change it is. To whom you want to assign it is, you can add CC, you can provide to that. So assign the person. So contact details, anything you want to give, that details you can give. Okay. Image. So whichever image is, I provide a defect screenshot. I said no, that screenshot are going to get about the repeatable steps are going to get like this. Once they are going to click on save changes, by default the information is defect is going to be logged into the Bugzilla database. And I said that there will be email notification will go to the assigned person it is. Okay. There is the advantage of the this Bugzilla defect tracking tool. So defect ID generated with the Bugzilla. By default status in the Bugzilla is open when you log the defect into the Bugzilla. Okay. So severity levels, speed levels, we can change it. Type of the issue what we can defect it is. To whom we want to assign like this. So once you log in, go to the new debug and search into the database. Then if it is not available, try to provide the your defect information. Then the defect profile information. Then save changes. If you go for, you are going to get the, once you save, you are going to or submit, you are going to get this page, it going to navigate to you. Go for edit, you want to do the any modifications. On copy, you want to save a system, you can save it is copy summary it is. Okay, like this. This is about the Bugzilla. It's very simple tool. How we are going to use like Gmail, similar defect reporter always it's like this. So mail communication for Gmail we are going to use. Similar way, it is Bugzilla for defect reporting purpose. Required components are given in the Bugzilla to you for defect reporting purpose. Okay. So thank you.